guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Welcome back to another vlog, another daily vlog, another vlog. Okay guys, let's get into today's vlog. Today is Thursday. Today's vlog day, Thursday, content creating day. Let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so welcome back. Instead of taking you guys shopping today, Thursday, I'm sure you guys already know I go shopping Thursdays. I've mentioned it in some of my vlog. If you are following me for a long time, you would have known that Thursday is shopping. But instead of taking you guys shopping, I've already come home with the shopping. You can see my tissue paper there. So what we are going to do, you can see my shopping bag there. And I got other shopping stuff somewhere on the floor. So what we are going to do together, guys, we are going to be sorting all the shopping out. Okay? So I'm not going to be doing a shopping haul. I'm just going to be sorting out the shopping with you guys. Okay, so let's sort out the shopping together, which I'm going to be fast forwarding so that it's not too boring. Just in case, with some music in the background. Okay guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Okay guys, yeah, so we're going to sort out the shopping. Ignore all those my stuff up there. That's my kitchen. It's everywhere is like that. Okay guys, I suppose a lot of people, their kitchen is like that. Yeah, my voice have changed a bit because I have a bit of cough. Guys, so it has affected my voice. Okay, yeah, so can you guys see my shopping? Can you see all my shopping? I just came back. Okay guys, so I'm going to be sorting out the shopping with you guys. Let me put the camera on the tripod and let's sort the shopping out together. Okay guys, so that's what we're going to be doing for now, and then after that we see what is next. Okay, so spend the day today, Thursday, with me shopping, sorting out the shopping, and the rest of my day, how it goes. Okay guys, please, if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Forget to comment, very important. Forget to give it a thumbs up, extremely important. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe, and shout out to my wonderful supporters: Sheila, A Slice of Sam, Stay Sweet Cuisine, Family Shops Group. Shout out to you all. You are all wonderful. Shout out to all my subscribers. You are all great. Thank you all for your wonderful. Yes, my son said you guys should subscribe and turn on your notification. And turn on your notification bell. Okay guys, let me put the phone on the tripod and then we can sort out the shopping. See, shopping everywhere. Okay guys, so let's start to sort out the shopping. Okay guys, yeah, and I also have some laundry here even in the basket to sort out. But anyway, let's sort out our shopping first and then we can do laundry if the video is not too long already. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's continue our sorting out of our shopping. Okay guys. Okay guys, hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. My daughter Jiro, she's helping me in the kitchen. Okay, she's pouring some sugar in the sugar bowl. Okay guys, so we are almost done sorting out the shopping. Yeah guys, so I bought this to change my second bathroom, the shower head. This was £7 as the. Okay guys, so I'm going to be replacing this when I go upstairs. Just to unscrew the old one and put this one. Just thought I will show you guys. I also have something else I bought from Amazon, which I would like to show you guys, but it's upstairs. Okay, yeah, when I get upstairs I'll show you guys that one. It's the thing that goes to the wall to hold the shower head. Okay, it's like a suction cup, something like that. Okay guys, so we are still sorting out the shopping, but we are nearly done, and we are making lunch. Okay, yeah, so I just want to round up in the kitchen because I have some laundry which I need to hang, and I need some, got them over there, that I need to put to wash as well. Okay, so let's continue the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, thumbs up, thumbs up. And watch my video guys. Please don't subscribe and don't watch. You understand what I mean? It's like you subscribe now, that's what I mean. It's like you subscribe and you don't watch. So please watch my videos. Even if you don't even want to subscribe, just watch. YouTube will keep recommending my videos for you. Just keep watching and keep giving it a like. Okay guys, yeah, I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I hope you guys will help me by subscribing and liking my video and sharing my video so I can get to 5,000 subscribers. Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Yeah, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine.
peeps, how are you doing?
Okay. So we are here, guys. Oops. We are trying to eat. Let's move the camera up a bit. The camera. We are going to eat, and somebody is there admiring themselves.
I'm gonna. What's
Okay. Jiro is admiring herself. I want to even make her hair. I don't know why she's admiring herself. For some reasons best known to her. Please go and check. Don't let the hash brown and the chicken not get burnt. So they are making burger for themselves that they want to eat. If it fits you, do the collar out. My son is just trying on his clothes. Do the collar out. I bought him a new shirt. So he's trying the shirt on. Okay, so that's what we are doing at the moment. We've sorted out our shopping, finished. I've managed to sort out the clothes over here, as you can see. I've sorted out all the clothes. Okay, so I'm under the light, so the camera is now doing the light off, light in. Is it cooked?
Not really.
Close it very well. If it's not cooked, then put it back.
Nope.
Put it back if it's not cooked. So we are trying to make some chicken burger for lunch / dinner. Okay, guys. So you can see the bread, the burger bread is already there. So we're just waiting for the chicken to cook and the hash brown and chicken nuggets. Okay, guys. And somebody's calling my phone. Jiro, give me my phone. Guys, so let me unbox the thing I said I was going to show you guys. Let me quickly unbox this. I don't know how I'm going to unbox it with one hand. Let's see if I can quickly show you guys. I hope that's where it is. So I'm going to unbox it now with you guys. I'm using one hand. I'm using one hand to hold the thing and one hand to unbox it. You know, Amazon always like to pack a lot of paper. One little thing. Okay, guys. Okay, so you see, it's just this thing that is inside, and they've carried this big box and carton. But I saw that it's inside there, so let me bring it out. It's very useful. The one I have is gone off, so I have to buy a new one. So that's it. So it's like a suction that you put on your tie to hold the shower, head. So I said I was going to show you guys. So I bought it from Amazon. Okay, so you just put it on the wall on the bathroom, and then this is the lock. You pull down, can you see? And it stays, and then you just put your shower head here. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, guys, so I'll go and put it in my bathroom, and then I'll change the shower head as well.